That's one.
No. No. Dude. They're coming. They're coming now. What is that supposed to mean? Highest of the sun is the highest point of the. Isn't that like a noon? Hi, wait. Hi. Oh, there you are. Hi. Okay, we got a situation. Don't panic. Like something. I got a message from what's called the Grizzly gang or something. I don't know. They said it's coming from Jay. But we got a situation and they're coming.
Who? What are you talking about?
I don't know. All I see in here is. I didn't think you could catch it.
What does that mean? I don't know what that means.
I don't know what that means
language?
either. It just goes, message from Jay.
I thought you took care of this over at Jay's house.
You know what that means?
What are you talking about?
Well, the only thing I remember of anybody making a grunting sound is the jabroni that showed up at the house whenever Mallory and Caitlin were over here, and I said no. And I told him to get out of here.
Yeah, and I thought you took care of it and sent him over there.
I know, yeah. Remember, we sent Mallory and that whole her and her gang over to Jay's house. It was perfectly executed. Everything was fine.
Okay. So what's the problem then?
Well, I think he found out.
Found out what?
Like what we did. Like Mallory, the whole thing. I don't think he's happy.
Well, great. Now what are we supposed to do?
But what I don't understand is how in the world the Grizzly gang decides that are they joined up? Are they partnered now with Jay?
I don't know. Maybe they are. He turned on us. We can't trust him.
What?
I better get Beckett out of here.
Why would he turn on us?
Beckett and I are gonna go. Beckett and I gotta get out of here. I don't want Beckett to be here involved in all this.
Yeah, get out of here.
We gotta get out of here.
They're coming.
They're coming now?
Wait, well, here's the thing. They said they're coming here when the sun reaches the highest point.
Oh my gosh.
Wouldn't that be noon?
I don't know. That's coming pretty soon though.
But wouldn't that be noon?
Yeah. Well, then why don't you call? I have an idea. Why don't you give Lauren a call and tell her to come up for your backup? Because I got to go take care of Beckett. I can't let Beckett in the middle of this.
So take care of Beckett.
So you call.
Go downstairs.
Call Lauren.
Stay down there until I tell you.
We're gonna go take cover. Okay, you ready,
Okay?
Beckett? Let's go.
You gotta get downstairs. Do whatever mommy says. Okay?
Okay, let's
You
go.
guys do that stuff. I'm gonna call Lauren. Get her over here. She needs to understand. I can't understand.
Hey.
Lauren.
Yeah. Are you okay?
Hey, what's up? This is Aaron. Actually, everything is not good right now. We got a situation. It's so bad that Katie's taking Beckett downstairs. I don't know where the kids are, the twins, Cam. I don't know where they are, but they're probably upstairs playing games. But I need you to get over here. Katie's taking care of the kids. I need backup. This is an emergency. This is a 411 high alert, red flag emergency. I need you to get over here as fast as you can. Are you busy right now?
Well, do you really need me?
Well, yeah, this is.
I can be there. I mean, I'll be there if that's what you need.
Yeah, I need you like ASAP. You get here in like 5 minutes. Okay, awesome. 5 minutes. Okay, see you in a bit. Bye bye.
Aaron? Wait! What's going on? Stop!
Oh,
It's
jeez.
me.
Oh, thank goodness. It's just you. Okay. I thought you were one of the Grizzly gang.
No. What are you doing? What's going on? Explain.
Okay. Just hear me out. Like, y'all listen to this. Those guys that were here that one time 2-3 weeks ago, they were looking for Mallory or whatever. I think they're after me.
What? Why am I involved with this?
Because Katie needs to take care of the kids.
Well, it's not my fault. I mean, why did I stop watching the finale of Mandalorian for this? I came to help you, and it's not my fault.
Wait. That was tonight?
That's not the point.
I'm sorry, but this is important. Come here. What? If you find more snow, then the ice sculpture will grow? What's that supposed to mean?
That sounds like something a bunch of frat boys wrote.
Oh, it does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And the funny thing is, I searched Grizzly Gang just to see if it was some type of big organization or whatnot, and all I got was something about some Alpha Sigma division.
Wait, what? So why should I help you with this?
I don't know. Oh,
Well,
yeah.
I don't have anything against these guys.
No, true, but you know, you're my sister-in-law, and so we need to work together.
Yeah, but I'm on Katie's side.
Take these guys down. What?
But I'm on Katie's side.
This is true. I know this, but she's MIA, she's taking care of the kids, and I need backup. I can't take care of it. According to this, it's 3 crazy dudes coming over, and one guy doesn't even know English. I keep getting these grunt text messages.
So, is there something you can do for me if I help you?
Actually, now that you think about it, there's a guy I know. He's a producer. So, if I hook you up with this guy, I'm sure he can guarantee a recording time for you in his booth. As long as you help me out,
Okay, deal.
I'll get you that deal.
Deal. Already deal.
Okay, we're good?
Already deal.
Okay, so here's the deal. First things first, are you a good sniper? Pretty good?
Pretty good.
How good? Really good? Okay.
Like, I could take you out.
That was luck. That situation, that whole thing, that was, okay. You know what? Okay, we'll test this theory out, okay? Where did Katie put the... Oh wait, that's right, it's back here. It's underneath the wet bar, in that cupboard. You're gonna find sick-looking sniper. You see it?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there it is. Okay, so actually there's an attachment there too. You see the little nozzle thing down there? Yep, that's
Yeah.
it, perfect.
So I have
You're
to
gonna need
grab
that thing if you
control.
think that you're an awesome sniper.
Well, I knew that already. I was just testing you to make sure that you knew what I already know.
That's my blaster. Obviously, I would know. So I need you to insert option A into nozzle B. Can you figure that out? Ah,
See?
man.
I did it. I knew.
Okay, your cookie's waiting on the counter. Anyway, okay, so you got that. What I need you to do is, do you see that sign right there that says thankful for? You see that?
I see it.
Okay, what I need you to do is I need you to actually shoot the O in the word for.
Oh.
The O, F-O-R. Hooked on Phonics worked for you too, right?
Yes, it did.
Okay.
And I've got it.
Okay, F-O, the O. Okay, I need you to shoot that O. You do it?
Well, I mean, I think so.
Anytime. No, it goes forward. You said you're the pro. Forward?
I already knew that. I was just checking to make sure that it was working properly.
Okay,
and
it's
that-
fine. It's fine. It's all lubricated and we're all... The O, please. Okay, that was good. Now I need you to prime it again. Perfect. I need you to hit the exact same spot. You know what? Okay, I think we're done with training right now. That's good enough for me. Okay, are you ready to go? You think you can handle these guys?
Yeah.
Okay, so why don't you man up the post here,
Okay.
and I'll take care of the window.
Okay,
Let's
cool.
go.
That's one.
Dude, Lauren, bro, dude, that was so awesome. How'd you know he was coming to the front door? Dude, like, he came in, he was looking, and you were ready to go. It's absolutely sick. I wonder if there's any other number coming in. I don't know what's going on. You think he's gonna be ready? Dude, twice? This is on. Are there any? Jesus, crazy. One. Oh my gosh. Jeez. Oh. In the world. How the... What's going on? What? Lauren. Yo. Lauren. Lauren. You okay?
Yeah. Yeah. I'm fine.
What just happened?
Well, he was coming from there, and he was coming from there, and then they shot, and I ducked in.
And then they've shot each other?
I guess.
Dude. So this guy's actually out?
That's what it looks like.
Dude, he's not moving. Nice work. Dude, look at that. You got 1, 2, well, you got him again, somehow with this crossfire. You got the guy coming in from that side, and then the other guy, he just, I don't know, he was shooting me, and next thing I remember is just hearing noises. This is insane. You're like a sniper expert. Okay, I'm sorry for everything. I know, I'm sorry for everything that I said before. You're the man. You are the man, well, woman. Listen, you're the pro.
Yeah.
You are the pro. Yes.
Thank you.
So, about that producer.
Yes.
You still want that deal?
Yes, I want
Definitely?
that deal. Definitely want that deal.
Okay. Did you learn anything today? See, you always have to remember. See, here, there's lessons in everything that we do, all right? Today's lesson is you need to learn always about the element of surprise.
Do you think Lauren was helping you out?
What do you mean? Of course she's helping me. I called her, she came over. She missed your favorite show. What are you talking about?
Who do you think taught me how to snipe? PBT all the way.